Alright, hello everyone, welcome to Adrian Tech Hub. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to build an ultra budget system unit. This only costs for 3,000 pesos, OMG. This for budget PC users, good for students, and this only meant for Microsoft Office tasks and basic tasks and light gaming. Let me remind you, this video is meant for building a system unit only. The keyboard, mouse, and monitor are not included because I'm gonna show you how this machine will really work. So before we proceed the video, let me remind you about this channel. It's all about building a system unit or rebuilding a office PC into gaming case and upgrade all parts. And also I made a video tutorial for software or games and etc. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, like, and give it a thumbs up for my YouTube channel, aka Adrian Tech Hub. Thank you and God bless. Let's go! Okay, as you can see, this is the case of the system unit, the power supply, the SSD. This is 256 by RAM stack. And by the way, don't forget the cable management. This is very important. And the front panel and the other connectors that we needed. And as you can see right here, we have the motherboard. This is very small, but it is called Micro ATX. This is ASUS. And this motherboard has only i5 2400. This is second gen. And right here we have a 4 SATA port. It depends on your preferences if you have HDD or SSD. And PCI slot. Pwede dito ninyo lagyan ng Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And this is for the video card. Para malak to, ikanin nyo lang. Open, ganito lang. Yan. So pag open ng processor, yan. So we have the processor. So nilagyan ko ng thermal paste. Ganito yung paglagay. Huwag sobra-sobra. Sakto lang. And we have VGA port, phase 2 port, USB port, Ethernet port with USB port, and the audio port, in and out, and microphone. And we have right here the front audio, 2 USB ports, and additional port, and the front panel switch right here, including power switch, HD LED, and so on. And don't forget, this is the 4-pin CPU power from the power supply, and the 24-pin from the power supply, and the RAM, 16GB DDR3. So this is the RAM, as you can see, Kingston brand. Yeah. This one stick RAM is 4GB, so total of 8GB. And the Intel stock cooler. So ito lang muna yung ilalagay natin kasi budget meal at farm office works and coding and so on. Alright, ibabalik na natin dito. And the fan, the CPU fan, must be aligned. Ayan, don't forget to connect right here. Just make it like this. Goes like that. Right here. Like that. Yan. Nakabit na natin siya. So ilagay na natin dito yun na connector. Yan. And arranged by proper cable management right here. Don't forget it. Just like that. And put the RAM just like this. Yan. Another one. Yan. Alright, after everything is plugged in, we put it back into our case. We're gonna need this automatic screwdriver. Okay, don't forget, by the way, to put the IO shield right here. It's already fixed in the power supply. The screws are fixed. And also the 80mm fan. This is transparent RGB. So this is called exhaust fan right here inside the case. And the cable management, just like that. And we're gonna put here the motherboard. Very careful. You have to align it properly. Just like that. So this cable is already fixed because I already managed it. Careful with patience is a must. Just like that. And align it with the mounting holes. Yeah, just like that. You will be good to go. And as you can see, we already aligned with the holes. And we're gonna put it right there, the other screw, and make it like this. Number 2 is here. We need right here. Just like that. And it's already fixed. Just like that. And the other screw, we have 2 left. Alright. Yeah, we properly fix. And the last one is here. Alright, so here's the same material. And another system fan. We simply put it back this 4-pin CPU power. But this one will works. Just like that. And the 24-pin power supply connector. Right. Just like that. Careful. Alright, we're done. And the other is the front USB. It is right here. Disconnect this one. Careful. And the other one. This is also a front audio. It is right here located, the black, as you can see. Just like that. And the other is the SATA data cable right here. We put it back here in the SATA data 0. Yeah, just like that. And lastly, the switches, the power switch right here in the reset switch, HDD LED, power LED. Alright, so bago natin i-plug in sa monitor, keyboard, and mouse, so i-test muna natin ito kung nag-power on siya. At yung mga switches, i-test natin kung gumagana siya. Kailangan natin dito makita yung power LED, HDD LED, at gumagana dapat yung power button at reset switch. Yung reset switch, makikita natin ito mamaya sa monitor kung mag-reset siya. Okay, power on right here. Click this. As you can see, it is working. Nakita nyo yung nag-blink yung red. It means may HDD LED at power LED yung standby blue. Alright, so nakasaksa pa siya. Everything's ready. So let's power on. Yan. Hintayin natin display sa monitor. Ayan. ASUS F1. Ayan, nandito dito na tayo sa BIOS at disconnect muna natin. So as you can see, this is Windows 11 Pro 24H2. So this is the speaker. Yes, working siya. And let's go in the settings, system. This is Core i5 2400, 8GB of RAM and 24H2. And let's go in the system information. Yeah, ito yung details ng machine. Yung BIOS nito is updated na rin. Yan yung last update niya. Okay, and lastly, we have to test this reset switch. If we success, this will be reset the machine. As you can see, na reset siya. So all working. Ayan. Straight boot into Windows. And Windows 11. Power off. Shutting down. Mabilis siya mag-boot dahil sa SSD. So pwede ito sa mga gumagamit for office. That's all and thank you.